Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars in this daily newspaper of April the 1st on Wednesday. I need to catch up because actually it's 14th of April today, and I need to catch up 2 weeks of newspaper. So you can see here a lot of newspaper with Sudokus in the additional of the newspaper. So a lot of to go. So let's get started. I see here in this first row 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 8, 3 and 9. I see here 7 and 8, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 and the 8 goes here in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is the missing numbers here. Wait. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box remain for the 1. This should be this one. Yes. 3 missing numbers now. The numbers are 4, 8, and 2. 4, 8, and 2. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 should be there, and the 2 and the 4 goes there in one of these 2 boxes. We have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 1, should be this one. Then an 8 in this row, an 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. We have a 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. Then 3, 8, and 6. Yes, these 3 boxes of this big square. For the numbers, the missing numbers are 3, 6, and 8. 3, 6, and 8. I see here 3 and a 6, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. That means the 3 and the 6 goes there in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left should be the 8. So here we have a 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then the 8. The 9, yes, 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 9 and 5, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And I see all the 9s. No, one is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 6. I'm missing a 6. Ooh, let me see. The 2, yes, 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so in the middle column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I see all the 2s are used. So the 9, the 2, all right. Then can I do something with the 4 and a 5? These two boxes of this row, the missing numbers here are the 4 and the 5. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 5. Yes, 5 is missing. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then these two boxes of the second column, the missing numbers here are the 3 and the 5, I believe. No, 5 we have. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 here, so no 3 here. 3 should be there. 4 goes here. 3 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3, 4 and 5. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. We have a 3 over there, so no 3 here. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 are left. Here in the third row, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. 7, 6. Then these two numbers, the missing numbers here are the 6 and the 7 in this column. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 1. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. Then these 2, 4 and 5. These 2 also. 4 and 5 are missing. These 2, 4 and 5. That means 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. 1 is missing, yes. 1 box left for this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes exactly. Wow. For a 2 Stars Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And thank you again for watching this Sudoku, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 3 stars. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.